Nokia 6.3 with quad rear cameras, Qualcomm SoC, 3GB RAM tipped, likely to launch in Q3 2020. Nokia 6.3 is reported to be the next mid-range smartphone by the Nokia brand licensee, HMD Global. According to a report, the phone will succeed the Nokia 6.2 that was launched last year and sit right above Nokia 5.3, which was unveiled in March this year. It was also tipped that the rumored Nokia 6.3 will pack Zeiss-branded quad rear camera setup along with a Qualcomm processor coupled with 3GB RAM. The phone is expected to come out in the third quarter of 2020. At the moment, HMD Global has not confirmed the development, therefore, it is advised to take the information with a pinch of salt. As per the report by NokiaPowerUser, the Nokia 6.3 is said to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 SoC. The phone is also tipped to pack Zeiss-branded rear cameras, however, the camera details remain unclear. The report citing a source also hinted that the phone will likely pack a 16-megapixel front camera. It was further noted that the base 3GB RAM plus 64GB variant of Nokia 6.3 will cost €249, roughly Rs. 20,400. As the name suggests, the Nokia 6.3 will succeed the Nokia 6.2 that was launched in September 2019. To recall, the Nokia 6.2 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 SoC coupled with up to 3GB RAM. In terms of the camera, Nokia 6.2 comes with triple rear cameras and there's an 8-megapixel camera on the front panel. The phone was launched in India in October 2019 for Rs. 15,999 4GB plus 64GB storage variant. The report also added the Nokia 6.3 will sit right above the Nokia 5.3 that was launched in March this year. Nokia 5.3 comes with a quad rear camera setup that includes a 13-megapixel main camera. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 SoC coupled with 3GB RAM. Nokia 5.3 also has an 8-megapixel front camera. Thanks for watching this video. You are loved at this video. Click thumbs up button, share this video your friends and family. Any doubt, comment.